Welcome to today's video, where we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when creating composable functions in Jetpack-Compose. The problem we're addressing involves creating a generic setting with Dialog Composable that can handle dialog dismiss requests efficiently. The solution provided involves updating the generic setting with Dialog function to accept a lambda function as a parameter in the dialog content composable. This lambda function, named onDismiss, is then called within the dialog content to dismiss the dialog when a specific event occurs, such as clicking a button in the dialog. By implementing this solution, you can now effectively manage dialog dismissals within the dialog content itself, providing a more seamless user experience. In continuation with the solution, the updated generic setting with dialog function now includes the necessary logic to trigger the onDismiss lambda function when needed. This allows for a dynamic and responsive way to handle dialog dismissals directly from the dialog content. By following the provided code example and passing the onDismiss lambda function within the dialog content, you can easily dismiss the dialog based on user interactions within the dialog itself. In summary, by incorporating the updated generic setting with dialog function and utilizing the onDismiss lambda function within the dialog content, you can effectively manage dialog dismissals in a more intuitive and flexible manner. I hope you found this solution helpful for your composable needs. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!